This morning I'm rooting out all these callaloo's. Guys, fall is around the corner and I don't want any of them to go to waste. So I have a total of 5 different pots that I am going to just root out these callaloo's from. It's gonna be a breeze because they're super soft in the soil. And guys, that's what I'm doing this morning. And guess what I'm going to prepare? If you said callaloo rice, guys, you're right on point. That's what I'll be sharing with you today. And I'm going to use the entire remainder of this callaloo for about 2 cups of rice. Sound impossible? No, it's not. So this is what it looks like before it actually ends. And stay tuned to see the end result. You don't want to miss this. Guys, I've been noticing that you've been watching these videos, so I am assuming that these recipes are very interesting to you. Why don't you just put the icing on the cake, subscribe today, and smash that bell icon so you won't miss out on the recipes that I post. Alright guys, I'm almost finished removing the callaloo's from the pots. This is the last container I am doing right now, and I'm gonna show you the amount that I got. I'm also throwing out all the soil because I won't be using them again. A good friend of mine told me never to reuse soil, especially if you're doing potted plants, using it for another planting of something else. So I'm gonna throw this out. Guys, when I came to California and realized I had to buy soil, I got so mad because when I was back home, I just go down the road or back of my yard and get some good soil, right? So I guess when you're in Rome, you have to do what the Romans do. So here is the end result. I am finished. 2 weeks ago when I did the steamed callaloo recipe, do you remember that? Yes. So I got a comment in the comment section down below, and this person goes by the name of Lone Star, said when the callaloo is this young, you don't need to strip them. And man, oh man, I'm like, if you had told me this before, it would save me a lot of time. So this morning I'm skipping the stripping method and I'm just washing the callaloo's with some salt, and I'm going to cut them right away. For this callaloo rice recipe, I will be utilizing most of the leaves from this callaloo batch that I have here, and I'm going to discard some of the stem. I don't want my rice to be, I don't know, but I don't want the stems in it. To a pot already heated, I'm adding 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, cumin seed, coriander seed, and coconut oil. I'm going to let these toast off for about 2 minutes before adding anything else to the pot. Once the seeds become fragrant, I'm adding garlic and some chopped shallots, and these two are going to saute with turmeric powder.
No, so darn good. I'm gonna let these toast off.
I'm using brown rice for this recipe. It's already been washed. Guys, if you've ever cooked rice pilaf, it's a technique where you add your rice to your herbs and aromatic and oil or butter, and you let it toast off for a few minutes, meaning some of the grains of this rice will become browner than some. I'm stirring occasionally so it doesn't become overly dark, you know what I'm saying? So this technique is going to pack a lot of flavor into the rice, and so when we add our callaloo to that, it's gonna be even more flavorful. I'm adding carrots for just some color. The liquid I'm using is coconut milk and chicken stock. It's 2.5 cups. The callaloo is going to produce a lot of water in this, and so I'm thinking if I add less water, then whatever the callaloo has to bring, it will equal out the pot. I have no Scotch bonnet pepper. If I did, I would put a whole one in, but here I'm substituting that with jalapeno peppers. Now it's time to add our callaloo to the mixture, and we're just gonna combine everything. Guys, I love cooking with ginger, and I think adding some fresh grated ginger to this callaloo rice is going to just bring it to another level. I'm also adding thyme, and to finish things off, I'm adding scallion and some garlic salt. Guys, I wish you could smell all the aroma coming from this pot. Oh my God, it is incredible. Wow. Now we're gonna seal the pot off and let it steam on low heat. And guys, after a few minutes, this is the end result. I'm having it with my callaloo rice.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. So good.